The Citizen Developer no-code platform uses fields. Fields are elements within your application that store, collect, and display different types of application data. For example, if we turn on the Appearance overlay, each of these elements is a different field. There are many different field types on this page. For example, a main navigation field, a link field, another link field styled like a button, a date/time field, this list field, and this container field, which contains 2 buttons and a list. Fields are split into 2 different categories, a data field and a non-data field. A data field stores and collects information in the application database, for example, this date/time value. A non-data field simply organizes or displays information, for example, this container field or this link field. This link field is showing an email address, but a link field is simply used for navigation. It doesn't hold a database value. If we open up the View User page, and we place this page into edit mode, we can see this email field. This field type is a data field. It is storing the user's email address. Returning to the previous page, we can see that this link field, rather than storing data, is simply displaying data from a different source and presenting it in a different way. Let's take a look at all the different field types. If we open up the data dashboard and we click into fields, we can group fields by field type. Here we can see all the different field types our application currently uses. An email field and a date/time field, like we saw on the previous page. If we take a look at the date/time fields and we take a look at last login time, we can see date/time settings. These settings are tailored to this field type. For example, allow time zone selection. If we take a look at email field, this field type has a placeholder setting to let your user know what type of value you're expecting and to provide them an example. If we add a new field, we can first name our field, take a look at the field type setting, content tabs, image, file attachment, signature is not limiting for both developers with experience or new business users without any previous coding. Throughout the application, there are also additional help texts which take you to the Citizen Developer Learning Center, providing overviews, examples, use cases, and best practices for each field type or any other component or tool within the Citizen Developer platform. Field types truly give you the flexibility and reassurance needed for a quick and fun application building experience.